This is D-Day, the big grand horse race is about to kick off, and I've got my horse here, so if you want to meet her. That's right, I'm racing a unicorn. I'm Dan, this is Kiwi Skips and this is Trash Talk episode 23. This week we're setting up another event for 2024, the Southland AMP show, and the event went off. Check it out. And also I met a unicorn. Unfortunately I was going to race it, but I got sick. Here we are today, we are setting up for the Southland AMP show. This is actually the 154th AMP show. For the last 4 or 5 years, Kiwi Skips have been supplying all the wheelie bins and skips for the event. We have so far, as you see behind me, I've got a big load of wheelie bins about to drop off at the Kiwi Skips food area. And over here, under the trees, we've got a couple of skips there too. So we are sorting it out. So on Friday night, which is tomorrow night, we will have food vendors set up all around these tables. So we're going to dot heaps of wheelie bins around, because nothing's worse than when you get to one of these events and there's just wheelie bins overflowing with rubbish. That is the first load of bins, so we'll set up. They've all got bin liners in them. We'll race back to the yard, we'll grab another load and we'll come back and we'll drop them over the other side. So these ones here at the food court. Next lot are going to go over to the trade sites. Whew, it is hot. Hey, I'm going to cut in now because we're trying to get our Facebook page to 3,000 likes. And as soon as we get 3,000 likes, we've got a car in our yard and I'm going to smash it, and I really want to smash it. So make sure you like our Facebook page. We need to hit 3,000 likes and I'm going to smash that car and see if it fits on a skip. Actually, all our skips. So make sure you like our Facebook page. Back to the video. Today we are setting up for the AMP show. Yesterday I delivered all the wheelie bins to the AMP show and I used the Dan cam because camera guy wasn't there, and I'm still learning how to use the Dan cam. I made a wee time lapse and I didn't quite focus it in, but here it is for your viewing pleasure. I've just hooked the trailer up to the ute, and now I have to shoot across and pick up some hay bales because it's an AMP show and we're going to look the part, right? So we're going to go set up our trade site, and the Kiwi Skips trade site is going to have hay bales. I need to pick up the hay bales, so that's why I've just hooked the trailer up to my ute. My ute has just been groomed, so check that out. And by the time you would have seen this video, the AMP show would have been, and you would have seen that Kiwi Skips sponsored the Kiwi Skips food court. That's right, because Kiwi Skips sponsored it, Kiwi Skips named it. So hopefully you enjoyed some food at the Kiwi Skips food court. Right, let's go get in the ute and go pick up some hay bales. Alright, let's see if we can find these hay bales. Oh, camera guy, can you get that last gate? We're out of the farmyard picking up some hay bales, so meet the goats. I'll load them in here. And,
the goats?
No, no, we're not going to take the goats, we're going to take the hay bales, which are right here. We might take one goat. Wouldn't that make our trade stand look cool? Or the goat in it? If you've ever handled hay bales, it's not unusual to pick one up and have a mouse or a rat jump out of it. So
how many are we picking up today?
A trailer load, as many as we can get in there. We're at the farmyard picking up the hay bales for the AMP show, and have you met the goats? Alright, let's see if we can set up the time lapse on the Dan cam properly this time. Let's see what happens. Oh wait, let's still time lapse. Boring. So it looks like the time lapse worked this time. Brilliant. All right, let's get in the car and go. You might have to get a gate or two. Here we go, cameraman is getting our gate, and he just said, I don't know if he said watch the goat or watch out for the goat. But either way, we do not want to run that cool little dude over. Bye. Ah, there he is. He's not bad at the gate. Alright, might put this down and concentrate on my driving because I don't want to run over any animals. Actually, before we get going, we better quickly offload this truck. Behind camera guy. And then we'll go to the AMP. Well, we got the hay bales loaded up, we've got some plywood for a wee something we're going to build, and we've got the gazebo loaded up. Let's go to the AMP show and set it all up. See a truck drive past? Nice. We're at the AMP show setting up. We've had to figure out exactly where everything's going. It's such a big site. We are right in between active trailers and Heenan small engines. So it's actually a really big site. We're going to have to pretty much bring the whole fleet of trucks down, I think, fill this site out. Karina, do you reckon you can clean all the trucks?
Great.
That'll make for some good footage. Get it done. So I'm just going to set up the Dan cam on a time lapse and we'll record the site getting set up. All right, we need 4 people on this, someone to jump on each corner. We've got our gazebo set up and we only ever put it up for events, so I hardly ever get to see it, and I love it. Come around here and have a look at this. It's a hell of a billboard. The last time you would have seen it on the camera was at the Corporate 8 rowing, but that's set up. We've actually got a massive site here, but we're going to fill it out with a couple trucks and a couple skips. So I'll bring my Dan cam tomorrow and I'll show you it all completely set up, and then we'll go have a look around the site, and then yeah, on Monday we'll come back and pack it up. It's Friday night and we're here at the AMP show Friday night market with the Kiwi Skips. What do we call this thing? The Kiwi Skips food court. How could I forget that? It's been such a long day. Check it out. There we are. We've got the billboard with all the correct spelling on it. Don't spell check it because it is all correct. And on this side, brilliant. Check it out. It's a camera guy in the wild. What's he doing?
Oh, hello.
It is Saturday morning, the AMP show is all full swing. Karina's got the site set up and it looks incredible. I'll give you a walk through. Oh, we'll start around here. So she's got her Ranger here, and then we've got the Kiwi Skips gazebo all set up. We showcase here for this 3 cubic metre 1 tonne skip bags, and then we've got the Kiwi Skips mini skip truck, and there's blimmin' cool yellow bucket hats, yo-yos, some Kiwi Skips drink bottles. It's like a couple of Kiwi Skips calendars I'm seeing in there, so these are pretty cool. We've got everyone's truck that they drive on their birthday month. The funny thing is that everyone at Kiwi Skips has birthday on a different month, so there's no overlap, so we're able to do that. This banner, which we just don't really do enough with, is pretty cool. Put a seat for everyone for those moments we need to take a rest. And our giveaway, the Southland Edition Monopoly, which Kiwi Skips actually features in. Check it out. We've got a trailer company there selling trailers. We've got a sign writing company over there. We've got Southland Honda. We've got Heenan Small Engines. Their site, we'll have to check that out soon. It looks epic. They've done such a good job, and there's some really, really impressive looking bits of kit there. They sell some cool stuff, and they're actually a Kiwi Skips customer as well. Over the back, we've got the grocer, so we'll be going and checking out that in a minute, getting some breakfast. I'm sure Karina will be on board with that. Over there, we've got Class. Around here we've got wide span sheds. Got St. John over here. And power net with this really cool inflatable pop-up tent. Pretty cool display they've got there. Here we are, the A&P show is in full swing and it's going off. The weather is beautiful and there are so many people around. So if you are not, there's so many people around. Hope you checked out the A&P show because it was an absolute hit. We gave away a lot of cool prizes and we met a lot of cool people and even signed up some cool clients. So this is one thing, if you've seen from previous episodes, this is our skip bags. So this here is a whopping 3 cubic meters and holds 1 ton. Here we go, this is our machine that blows up all our balloons for the kids. As I mentioned earlier, Kiriana signed me up for the hobby horse race and I've managed to rope Karina into it too. So we're on our way over to see if we can handle a hobby horse. I hear they're quite aggressive. They move really fast, but I'm sure we'll be fine. You picked my racehorse. That's me.
It's you. Rainbow unicorn. Pick your horse.
Alright. Here we go. Bloody hell, it's a unicorn! Here it is, it's D-Day, the big grand horse race is about to kick off. And I've got my horse here, so if you want to meet her. That's right, I'm racing a unicorn. Where we're standing right now is where the Kiwi Skips food court was and it is all packed away. So like I've talked about many other episodes, Kiwi Skips do what they do best, to clean up after the party, and all the bins are loaded up back on the truck. So that's all for Trash Talk episode 23. We'll see you next week.